We are in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're at CONEXPO. This is the world's premier construction equipment show. It's a tremendous turnout. The weather's been great. The customers have been coming out in droves.
Hospitality's been our biggest thing here, is make everybody comfortable, and then we can share with them all of the great programs we have with Cat Financial, from financing, Cat Card, and then of course CVAs.
At CONEXPO, Caterpillar is focusing on technology, sustainability, and services.
A lot of new products out today that are completely electric driven, and so this show, for me, that really stands out, how many new products are out that are completely electric. CVAs are our maintenance agreements and our service agreements that we have. And now every new product that we sell is available to have a CVA as soon as you take it off the showroom floor.
It's really intended to give customers peace of mind with maintaining their equipment. Every 250 hours, 500 hours, the machines need some attention, and we help them make sure that their machines keep running like they were designed to.
It helps extend the life of the machine, protect the machine, includes all the preventative maintenance, filters and belts and services related. We try to make our CVAs easy to purchase. At Cat Financial, for example, they can purchase their CVA while they're financing or leasing their equipment, and we roll it in the payment. Overall, the outcome is you've got the experts monitoring your equipment and helping you keep your machine at top condition.
Financial CVAs really can be designed to be included when the customer purchases a machine. They can include it in the financing. CVAs are also portable across the U.S., so you get consistent product. We track exactly when the equipment is ready for preventative maintenance, and we ship the product directly to that customer.
Really, we're developing more comprehensive CVAs that include more services like dealer labor and things of that nature.
Things like an after-treatment system are pretty complicated, and a lot of customers want to avoid having to service those. We have affordable performance CVAs that will provide coverage specifically on that system. Our EPP programs are designed to cover either the entire machine or the entire powertrain of a machine. Performance CVAs come in and they provide a little bit narrower coverage, but at a much more affordable price point.
The dealers help service the CVAs, so we are that conduit to help the customer get in touch with the dealer and service all of their equipment.
From the landscaper customer that might not have time to go into the dealer and get the parts they need, to the largest of customers, corporate account customers, are large customers that work across state lines. So really, it spans all customer segments.